Oh, it looks so cool.
Yeah, no, no,
I knew I saw you!
It's that time again. What did our neighbors give us today?
I see you too. Oh, uh-oh. I'll be one of you.
I guess we gotta go in here.
It's the last day of quarter one. That's right. I'm not young enough to see
What the?
What? That was bogus.
You got it. That was kind of funny.
No. No. No.
Well, because that always scares me.
Can you swipe?
Did you run out of cards again?
That
Wait,
was
did you
so
get it?
fun.
You got it! You got the win? And a lot of coins.
Okay, can you swipe like 5? 1 and 2.
I like that one. We got 2 He's ready to go.
Hello! Oh, wait, no. Hello! We went Fun Factory, and this is what we got. A lot of stuff, because we both got
900 something dollars.
tickets. Wait, okay, let's start with the big one. This is our super blasters we got.
Oh, too close to the camera, buddy. This is the X shot. Yeah, apparently it's good. I got this.
Or this is the one.
I got this Nerf gun.
And I got this little mini water gun.
I'm gonna shoot him. So this looks like, well, people probably think it's nice, but it's actually
Okay.
comb. So if
I
you
don't
bring
know why
this to
she got
school, yeah, I don't know why I got it, but like for my tips, you know.
Ow, that hurt. This is to lock it. Going this way is to lock it. This way? Should I open it? Where? And this is called a fiber optic lamp. Yeah. Ooh, looks so cool.
Hey, don't do that. So what I like to do is go like this. Whee. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna show off is this. So it's supposed to be like a magic thing. Okay guys, so pretend this is the magic trick. So I have this dice here, right? Okay, ready? I'm gonna shake it and then it's gonna turn into little pieces. Ready?
Here's the demonstration. 3.
You did it at 3.
This is the cube.
Behind the scenes.
And the cube on the top is magnetic. Right here is magnetic. If I put this in, it's not falling out. I have to fit all these little tiny cubes in here and put it on the top like this. And just close it. Because it's underneath it. And the top is on the top. Okay. And it's just another plastic. I have all these other things.
I got these little things, so we're trying to use all our tickets because we saved up too much, and then we're like, we're trying to get rid of it. So I got these things. It's not good.
It's okay for me because I want to try it.
Okay, and I got this slinky.
I'm never gonna put this thing.
Oh, and I got these disgusting fangs.
What are you doing?
I think I put it on wrong.
What was that? Ew! Don't try to break it.
I'm trying to eat your blood.
Eat your chocolate. Ew!
I'm throwing this disgusting thing away.
There it is. It's a little thing. Ew, it's super cute. Is that an alien?
It's glowing though.
It's a little gem. And Sheila said it's glow in the dark. And I want to test this slime out. It's like...
Peyton has one more thing.
bubble gum.
Slam dunk.
Yep, bubble gum in. Put this upside down right now.
Peyton! Oh my! There's something called a hole over there. 5-second rule.
Now.